Welcome to Kanye. So today we are going to show how to use the AI Audio Studio. So this is the dashboard for Audio Studio. Here you'll be able to access files that has been generated, and there is numerous voices we can pick from. Let's try a Santa voice. This is very basic. Yeah. I can try energetic, and the speed looks okay. Generate. Let's see, it's ready. And download. Alright, it's ready.
Ho, 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 Merry Christmas.
Awesome. Sign up for free today.